asna wo hwe one Zakito ni obadi nyina de watena stadium watena mu training grounds ahwe mo no eya Masimba Ture o line so Ture ya mo akwa ba anwumre e de ba Promise Radio e wo Kumasi se bibia boko de
Korogo me fait ya bibia boko
enwoma e koso kama de
kakra ya bompa
ya te on ka che se wako shen
Adose
se wako shen ya te on ka che
Michel say you have to prepare after football so kakra ya juma
okay it dey ya tena no na we as an agent say we FIFA agent
very soon me FIFA agent but say me need FIFA license but for CAF Africa the new license but kakra me FIFA license
okay
ya bomba
okay you share players be videos see entie ba ne say players because of aside ujumadi a wudi nei after our retirement eba Ghana had ya menye sure say club da wakoma so echa Asante Kotoko nti enya ntie say Sila Mohammed and Rumarik Amusu any other two players be why recommend this players di ama Asante Kotoko no krobe le wom na say no musitie cheche players to yini ba ko anka beboa o Sila Mohammed anu describe no o fa Rumarik Amusu anu describe no die na be ma Ture I recommend this players di ama Asante Kotoko.
When him say man sorry sir I recommend them when him say do baby team be up good players what so last month na me Kumasi o can tell me say if I have good players I should forward to them or measure if they are good any problem my country must say me juma many problem me good player me the bro especially I'm working with striker side Sila ebia monim me free bechimba Aztec 2018-2019 na minister na challenge Gokin second season waje Gokin with me 13 goals meaning avoiding league ni and I go outside wa back to avoiding league obo sisi I think over 6-7 goals sisi akra na mission other players no so me players so definitely if I have good players why not team be a bit my ejuma but especially if Kotoko they ask me good players I will give to them. I don't have any problem for that. Me very good players and I'm working especially with young players many players 25 26 27 ejuma sila are you good or no the baby amini kasa and some of the players so you good I said so more recommended some of the players to me no more kasa so definitely Omuba Kotoko Sudia say Omu Provoa Minibeji coming to Kotoko Enya is a Oba you have to come to do the work member Ababe like weak player that baby Amika Kotoko also for other teams in Ghana Premier League a very big league to be honest and very strong Oba uye do dia untimimbo so many players me the move back Ghana dia me more advice for
okay a type of striker ben asila or similar to star na say wabo Ghana boy ya na yi ni striker say type of striker ben oye
onim say Sila or striker bia outside so betimabo but baby amika me recommend striker amobia man sorry say ababe recommend amo my sure striker is several matches answer me recommend amo because every match say striker be back control can to me ebia ni pakroja or the break otoko one sure striker ni for long time me dem striker bia me follow mu me show mu game sometimes me got training omu ye mistake and am account am say me timi ko for be onya ade kra na me da breathing bi ogana that be I don't do that.
Oh okay we got video ya here as you Sergio Aguero
yeah Sergio Aguero baby amika ebia Sila maka me type of striking that is me and pepe but the difference me my ball left me my ball right me tie ejuma me bibia ejuma but obia ni potential striking role just here as me kind the second season ASEC Minisila Nike 13 goals avoiding league from there or outside. So actually say oh good. Only me a challenge go kin there or actually say oh good.
Okay.
But baby I can or good but only say push kotoko this so with my good but over kotoko. Bibi a bit
Na pressure foul.
so you have to prepare yourself. Yeah, you have to prepare yourself very well. Answer no baby. Baby I can't me players. Sane me yajuma.
Okay.
The more advice, I can follow them before I can bring them to Kotoko or another club. Me follow mo. I watch them very well. Answer me there. In person me do be now. Anya ye no make us oh who the bad players are bread that be. Anya sane me yajuma.
Oh, okay. Yanko Romare Kamusu so. And also a recommendation.
Yeah, players ni na omuye Miami players. Mark James said they need this position. So I forward to them. They are all my players. If Bibi okay, omu bako toko so mi bon pass nyama ko yema omu. Omu ntimi bako toko mu bako different clubs so. Sa onim say Benega ni onu obo national team. Wa bo Chan, wa bo competition. Onu there me can't just say Oba for Justify. Me when I recommend a player to you, I don't want my player to come to Justify because they are good. Enter me send a video, me send a BBR. The only thing you can do, baby I mean so me can't just say sign them direct, but they can train with you 3-4 days and you decide because good player they want to me in the first control after 10 minutes, 15 minutes, we won't say oh you good.
Okay.
That's here. But send me the player, but now I justify. I just say like even myself, I don't trust myself. So enter me the player prayer. Or wait my training 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. Now I decide. The first day, after 10 minutes, you have to know that this guy he can do something for the team. If on team in baby my team now I'm anako.
Oh, okay. Umariki ya ukana asem so board the Beninua national team. You heard the video CCA. Very skillful on the ball, but adeba kwa ye video nim ne end put that maybe the video might be short. Also can be kakra fan because it looks like we're very skillful.
Onim say ono onya striker, ono a creative player. Onim say football and there who good wingers, omu fast, omu crossing strikers. I think you can score a lot of goals because football and there and you never bakune team but strikers or fronter on your ball team share. Baby Amika, Adani Misha Kotoko, Macho Kumasi, almost striker ni Mukola, Baby Amika, a good striker because of creative space of Fosena or passable manu. So if you have good wingers, I think for me, striker only good wingers you can score goals. Baby Amika, Tam Nami Kotoko, Nami good, Nami Kita very good wingers. Old players, ni Usha Georgia Moa, Oba, Usha Chastela, Usha Canise Francis, Aquafototi, Maestro, a lot of players, more wingers, but wingers are more creative more, strikers or measure goes more. So Benin International, or a creative winger, or a fast, on him chin, and a very intelligent player.
Okay.
So I think also a bit about any team.
Okay. Now it is a two become center back bina a number 6 bisuzo.
Yeah. I have a center back at number 6. I mean I'm about Africa's under 20. So if they play under 20, I just say they are not bad player because they are very good. That's why they deserve under 20. But baby Amika, omit my bar team Tisa Kotoko and Nyaman Koyimo because Kotoko, to be honest, a pressure team, sometimes crowd down won't mean that. But if they are young like that, I think Veboamu because if we be a young or Kotoko, or keep pressure near or very best. One keep pressure in cross stay, the boy is young. Kaka small, I think of it my keep pressure of it my Bambe Abia last 10 minutes, last 15 minutes to keep confidence. But Omobase keep directly Minibeje because it's not easy to play for Kotoko and other big clubs in Ghana. It's not easy.
Okay. Yentre mukaka. But sister has ona or the name has of who?
Pachoya Sisiana.
Sisi.
Yeah, he's my player.
Okay. Oye said they was sitting about expectation. Oba has no what me to expectation.
Oh, when him say, since I say my country say coming to play in big club in Ghana is not easy. Me a striker. See, my question the game several times. Now about first division was share lot of goals of first division. One ball premier that. This is the first time about premier, but I'm happy Minyaji because coming to first division and direct was of about premier Minyaji. But Nyaman call ye man half season. I think over transfer over during maybe at the coming season of it my best because coming to one of the big club too Obama has fine. I think or share Ghana League the way Nyama this year Nyama be brave. On him say Ivory Coast lot of game no more money as for test. He said waba washa Accra Sportidom obo oko Brekum obo oko Mediama Park obo. So I think I'm happy for him because kakra ebe obi wambo premier that because maybe a striker my conscious striker be first division the first control after first half they say this guy is very good Medina Bromo Minyaji obo kakra. But I think on Ankasa or a player or a transfer, I'm a Ghana Premier League first round. This, I have to correct this, I have to do this. Day, maybe next season or Kobre Kumpaka or Nimse Pakni and Tisakra Sports Stadium, or prepare no Akobo. So definitely, me to make I just say I'm happy 100%, but I'm happy because my offer will be from first division direct to Premier or Bo Minyaji. But I want more coming from him, but I know. Ebe me a striker. We can't just say striker way. Obe performer. Ebe good. 100%. Obe good. Ebia enye ende but ebe tima ye chino.
Abutre.
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Today, oka say players there. Ompene mo nya justify. Na ebia betia mo be 2-3 days bi no mo dey ahwe mo. Na omo wi na ese ni nyina akọ nkrata so. Players here were recommended Yama Santo Kotoko. The every Rumarik Abusun and Silla Mohammed. Omo bas free agents and I say Kotoboga got Tomo free more clubs or mobile.
Oh, right now, Nina be conversation. Me can't just sit here, they are free and Omonia free bet. If Intasaya Juma say Baby Pio Kumasia. Let's say be possible. Whether more under contract and more free, everything is communication. To be honest with you,
okay.
Football, what do you mean? Can't say football. Sorry, Manya Kobe. Hello.
It's you.
Yeah, football. What do you mean? Can't say very good player. Of it, my transfer more than 3 months. Any possible, especially active player. Or be or a very good or active until free, but everything is communication. Maybe a bit more possible within club to club. Maybe a communication. Sila and Romaric and other players ni. And by force they got a bit more choose some, but I have a lot of players different position. But I'm still sending to them. But I know and they are Mechusobi.
Okay.
And team be brave because I have to bring some of the players to team B or Ghana Chroma be some central defender, Tor one. I have it, I will bring to them. Mayfeda, I have it, I will bring to them. So definitely come when I do Kakra. Baby Pompa said pure Ghana Premier League.
Okay. Now how soon and I hear players anymore Kotoko or training grounds?
I only say baby I can be a bit more possible, but for the meantime, baby I maybe yes it's here for Kotoko. I contact Mr. Christopher Denyame because
okay. Hello. Oh, network.
For my third order.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, hello.
Now, aside on when your opportunity to speak to Kotoko coach, Dr. Ogum.
When say Nyamabi, I don't want to enter inside.
Okay.
Ogum is for me, Mashanuda, a very good man. I think Komo be pretty, a very very good. Meeting me can't just say Onya good. Ebia, Nyaman Koyemano this season, coming season bit my ye. She said like me not in common, yes, sometimes it in common.
Okay.
But penny for be no more in common, Benny Pacoromini near fine by in common by Mr. Christopher Denyami because baby I for my third coming to Kotoko Boami. Even players in crime with the mobile mini Christopher, you take a decision. You are thinking about how to come, how to plan, where do we stay, everything.
Okay. Ahmed Simba Toure. That's it. Now, yes, your program that's in debate be by you. If we say, oh, yeah, the greatest foreign player, our boy in the Ghanaian league. Oh, no, my argument.
Same greatest, Timika just say greatest footballer, but one of the greatest striker. Because footballer, the Umudosu Ghana Premier League.
For foreign players, or Mababo in the Ghanaian league.
Yeah, of course, me Chantra because I do a lot for foreigners there in Ghana Premier League. Yes, me can say me one of the best foreign player in Ghana Premier League.
Oh, okay. Now, so why will you who sing China? Yeah, but why will you who sing China? Yes, choose be a one at the Bemano.
I just say,
will you who sing China? O de yemfa won kan on na yesi wa mature yi the best foreign player aboard the Ghanaian league a wo ya hwan na de be ma no
I choose between Solomon and Yakuba Soni. I have to choose, but choosing they are very, 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 very difficult. But I can choose Solomon Abdullah.
Okay. Ahmed Simba Toure. You better say. Me sure say bibia so ba e be din komo.
Me da munina say, me da Kumasi from munina say, me France na Ghana Premier League pen from munina me chia munina.
Okay. Ahmed Simba Toure na ene no ekodi nkomo no. Welcome. Sila Mohammed and I wish ni sisi no nti enche ne profile bezo over so hwe ne dey ono ne dey ona ajibo ya na
no on eba no on era ne no
okay
o me year free so bad also we international under 20 of the Ivorian national team
na video dey hu no ono ne dey
oba on eba run no yes on eba run good
okay on
the body movement o dey mo come back do me nya abotre mo mpre good so here how or use just the body movement and Sana take the defender on and the finishing. The calmness behind his finish. And you see, one game. But yeah, if you are starting with this video, I'm starting video, I'm cover. Baby, I would dinano. Or pick a ball is something you need to consider in your conversation. Player no jina here. Or take ball new year no. Near my ben or ye can't one son out born or the baby papa. You what I say. So let's analyze the first goal. Let's analyze this goal. Now, Jibu, on the in between, on a center back, the moment and the player he started moving to space. Now, when you are born first control, no a dummy goalkeeper, and stand then a weaker foot in the ball at Tottenham. We are 1-on-1 with the goalkeeper, but check her. I hand obey. I hand on my goalkeeper and stretch you no close no. Into one kick ball on first attempt.
Say Obel.
We are analysis of a player.
Wait you.
First attempt. Or take ball now, or dummy goalkeeper. Now check this goal, no saying. Now, or open up the body no in a BT defender. No. Now he takes the defender on. I do not chip ball for a goalkeeper no so to at him. So o take 3 players. What the goalkeeper can 3 players.
Only way
we are silly. On na me the make no wasem. Omo makane ba mekane se na tie no because menya abo trash o munyina videos no enti up now you ya slide no when lose the balance do another 9 yi ball no for goalkeeper no ti when you 2 1-on-1 with goalkeepers ni nyina technique o use ni different o ma adwuma na e din for the goalkeepers to save it and also as we water from kakra as Aguero no into was sand mirika taechire and do box now on him the other ball near the air. So when you look at some of these things now his stadium on and feature this is the Premier League or Cote d'Ivoire. Now boy here how he move or taking on the goalkeeper pine the ball not to at him. That's Salah Mohammed Sadiq Sana Kennedy. we owo ball no so back one no yi keeper na firim no about to atrem into be kasa e bia 1-on-1 but then they lead you to the 1-on-1 as a striker we check how he position himself. Now look at this ball already between the spaces entijibo the movement no efe and how he's doing the finishing efe and then one match no aka say we nya one good game be we are talking about 4-5 matches including the national team and or the 9 first or the 9 benkumu say ni ti na on fa bi nse because jibo ne height enye de edi eti but say ball na nkasa da form mo fa mame wo penalty box na no ho ne de na me tumri kan koye bibi de he is doing it it is jibo he how he moves me ho na e me fe no as on the players no oni omo ball understanding be say omo jibo na oni bebi on tumri kan nko
dagi to ho bi ye okay
no about what him
okay.
And to make us say yes, you need any video, I miss chances there. But this is enough for you to give such a player an opportunity to train with you. Now one can out when you are shaking.
The boy boy need we do here justify you.
Oh, say
see no born about there.
So wow, see no body.
Say me dem make just say video near you know.
And I make us say from where I sit, you know, this is enough for you to give him a chance no be training. And Jibo adia ba ko down so say the goals no say no. The movement in here, how running in between defenders, no. Most were red defender, not defenders. Then be bounce no about what no munim the ekoso. Any idea about all the bebo na baso as a striker. Bo go we say build up ne banana pia be chiri. It's defenders ni nyina any call ni fa so no no dwane ko benkum and o tap in. Obeka say simple tapping. This is Racing Club Abidjan versus San Pedro. And Majibu Mahedina, and all yes, Eduma we. Enti, on your player bias and I'll go with you. Just for a while, tell me, say, strikers be at this particular position, Babu Nipa. Born up a ton in him, basically because the empty net there. But how opia to pour in check it to a defender na ban nemu aban mu wa large in the body thinking say or be shot no appear to as yeke to a bi. Enti obi o ha obo afu ko he no wa ba to nchen. And these are qualities that you can say okay, then this is a player that if you are watching him say oh to aso mama fo akwa scout no aba fo akwa monitor na you can say there's that talent, there's that quality.
We say Benjamin Diaz tell us his stats last season and his trophies.
Jibo me checking.
On checking.
I'll like to say.
Okay.
But my point is that
Obisi, hey,
player we ever justify.
Obisi, hey, good evening, striker. Hey, Obed.
No, me must Jibo me can say. The news is that these players will come and the technical team will watch them. That is the news. And I make us say, me could be inside or make actually say, we dear, you be brewasimo. Temobi and Kohano Honko Fanemba baby. Do what the make say?
Meet you,
you'll be brewasim. But we don't share the ball now. Check how you connect with other players. Tomo ma matches our assist. Not check your assist no. Omo ma matches our chiche. I'm your channel. Omo ma matches wa bobo to net. And this video, also Chibo players in home videos be a 1 year ago, 2 years ago. This video is just 2 months ago. Omo compile this video just 2 months ago.
Okay. Just 2 months
just
ago.
2 months ago.
Okay. Obi say Afrania is going to say Obed, please take your time. Oh, hype penny. Which one I do for or say Obed relax. Michael Ajimendia or say Ogum doesn't like players of such nature. Rashid Note has better moves, but he wasn't considered by Ogum. I want to can say.
Oh, say with the Ebeheno. So yes, let's wait and let's get people to watch him.
Okay, I said to honor people be for me.
No national team on a striker.
No,
on a show be enemy. Yeah.
And to only.
Yeah, only now the head obey be say yeah. Jibo, we dear kakre dear. See a cast of may justify who deserves so bad that judge. Kakre ya she. And your first occasion a channel was answered a cofa born be new. There are cases ye channel, no so no cofa, no contribute. What was a strikers no more tough for no.
On ajiboy.
On ajibon on ansa na opeja de ama the fellow player. Omo boy a keeper ni save you. Nti nti se o ka so me justifier. Obi recommend the player we ma wa. Untimi ka so recommend the player boni.
He is a good player, fine. We hear. But will he cut down his fingernails, trim down his hair, put his hand at the back whilst talking to Ogum? If he doesn't do all this, Ogum will not pick him up. Nana Kwesi say the players will come, but if our man is still in charge of coaching, Nana Benin will be preferred. So they know. The national team.
We're a club level. Other one and national team.
Okay.
Yeah, we're club level.
Okay. Hey, penalty.
Yeah.
Striker do Obed. Zach Akwaba.